Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Yes, good afternoon. Shall we start? Are you ready? Yes. Okay. In the morning session, we have studied a poem, isn't it? Yes or no? We have studied a poem. What was the title of that poem? Adira?
Yes, Miss.
What was the title?
Olympic Granny.
Yes, very good. Olympic Granny. In that poem, we have studied about who? A grandmother. We have studied
Grandma.
about a grandmother. Okay. What was the speciality of that grandmother? Halima, can you tell what was the speciality of that grandmother? Halima, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, what was the speciality of that grandmother? You don't know? You can answer. You can answer freely. What did you understand from that? What was the speciality of that grandmother? Yes, Adira, are you ready to speak?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, what was the speciality of that grandmother?
She is 99-year-old,
Yes.
but in Felix, she is been blessed. The trouble is, she can't
Okay,
decide.
enough. Okay, enough. You should not read that lines. The speciality of grandmother is that she was 99 years old, but she is good in all performance. And at last, we find that she used a walker and wheelchair. But even though she used a walker and wheelchair, she had the ability or power to win all the games that she participated. Isn't it? I think the poem is clear for you. Please turn on your video. Aradhya, Heaven, Halima, Vasudev, Sri Vishnu. Turn on your video. Afras. Okay. We have completed the poem. Now we want to discuss the activities, isn't it? Page number 11. We want to discuss the activities of page number 11. Take page number 11. All of you please mute your... Okay, there is some disturbance. Don't unmute. Who is that? Please mute your audios. Okay. We can move to the first question. That is, understand the poem. Here the title is Understand the Poem. A. Tick the words that you would use to describe grandma. We have already studied about this grandmother. You should tick the words which are suitable for this grandmother. Okay? Can you hear me? Am I audible? Please raise. Yes, okay. There are some words which describe the grandmother. You can select the words which is suitable for the grandmother. I will read the words. First one, helpless. Then the next one is strong. Third one, sporting. And the fourth one is unhappy. Fifth, agile. Sixth, fabulous. 7, youthful. 8, afraid. 9, brave. Please mute your audio. Please mute your audio. Who is that? Okay. Helpless. Is that grandmother is helpless?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Please mute. There is a disturbance. Okay. Whether this grandmother is a helpless person? Yes or no?
No. No.
Okay. This is not the quality of this grandmother. Okay. So, you don't want to tick that. Okay. That tick cheyanda avashyamilla. Grandmother helpless alla. Then, strong. Is this grandmother is strong? You can?
Yes.
If yes, you
Yes.
can? Yes. So, you can make a tick mark. You can make a tick mark there. Okay. Then, the next one is sporting. Sporting means a sports person.
Yes.
True or false?
Yes.
Right, yes. Okay, you can put a tick. Okay. Then the next one is unhappy. Whether the grandmother was unhappy? No.
No.
So there is no need of put a tick. Or a tick cheyanda avashyamilla. Then we want to move agile. Agile means able to move quickly. Able to move quickly and easily. Yes. Because
Yes.
grandmother had the power of winning all the competitions. So we can say that she is agile in nature. Okay. Then the next one is fabulous. Fabulous means extraordinary.
Miss agile പിന്നെ grandmotherക്കുള്ള
Agile tick ചെയ്യുക. Agile എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ able to move quickly and easily. ഗ്രാൻഡ്മദറിന് എല്ലാം ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമായിരുന്നു. അതുകൊണ്ട് ടിക്ക് ചെയ്യുക അതിന് agile. Sixth one, fabulous. Fabulous. Is the grandmother is fabulous? Yes or no? Yes. Fabulous means extraordinary.
Yes.
Because she had good caliber in sports. So we can say grandmother is fabulous. You can make a tick there. Sixth one. Okay. Then seventh one, youthful. Youthful. Here youthful denote attitude. What was the attitude? Grandmother's attitude youthful aayirunno? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. Even though she was 99 years old, but her attitude was youthful. Okay. So you can make a tick there. Okay, then next one, afraid. Whether the grandmother afraid? Anyone? No, the grandmother?
No.
Yes. No, the grandmother did not afraid anyone. So, you don't want to tick that. Tick in grandmother narayum pedillarnu adu grandmother character alla. Okay, then brave. Brave.
Yes.
Yes. You can tick brave. Okay. Did you complete it? What?
notebook
No. എഴുതേണ്ട എന്താന്ന് ഞാൻ പറയാം. ഓക്കെ. ഇപ്പൊ എല്ലാവരും വീഡിയോ മ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്ത് വെക്ക്. സോറി, ഓഡിയോ മ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്ത് വെക്ക്. Not video, audio. Okay. I will list out the characters of this grandmother. Answer for these questions. Tick ചെയ്യേണ്ട answers മാത്രം ഞാൻ ഇപ്പൊ വായിക്കാം. Strong. Did you tick that? Yes. Then sporting. Sporting. Okay. Then agile. Okay. Then fabulous. Fabulous. Okay. Youthful. Okay. Brave. Brave. Okay. I think it's clear for you. Shall we move to the next activity? Shall we move to the next activity? Yes. Okay. Answer these questions. Let's make a discussion about these questions. Okay. Then I will provide the notes. Okay. First question. In which sporting competition is grandma going to participate this year? In which sporting competition is grandma going to participate this year? I will ask one by one. Okay. Joel, can you answer? Joel, in which sporting competition is grandma going to participate this year? Question manasilayo? Did you understand the question? No. Joel? Please. I can't hear anything. Okay. Some problem is there. Ashwin, can you answer? Ashwin?
Duke with fear.
First question, in which sporting competition is grandma going to participate this year? In which sport competition? Question മനസ്സിലായില്ല? ഏത് കോമ്പറ്റീഷൻ ആണ് ഗ്രാൻഡ് മദർ പങ്കെടുക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് എന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് തന്നെ പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ?
ഞാൻ പറയാം.
Okay, just say
Olympic.
Olympic. Okay, Olympic Games. Very good. The answer is Olympic Games. Grandmother is going to participate Olympic Games in this year. Is it clear? Grandmother ഈ വർഷം ഒളിമ്പിക് കോമ്പറ്റീഷൻ ആണ് പാർട്ടിസിപ്പേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി പോകുന്നത്. Okay. I will provide the answers. Then you should write in notebook. It in note. ഞാൻ എന്തായാലും ഇതിന്റെ ആൻസർ എല്ലാം തരും. അപ്പോൾ അത് നോട്ടിലേക്ക് എഴുതിയാൽ മതി. It's only a discussion. Okay? Okay?
മിസ് ഒന്നും കൂടി ഒന്ന് പറയുവോ? ക്ലാസ് എടുക്കുന്ന കട്ടായി പോയി.
First, ഏതാണ് പറയേണ്ടത്? ഇപ്പൊ പറഞ്ഞതിന്റെ ആൻസറാ?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. We have discussed the first question. In which sporting competition is grandma going to participate in this year? In which sporting competition? Grandma is going to participate Olympics. Olympic Games. That is the answer. Okay. Then, I think it's clear for you. Yes or no? Yes. Then we want to move to the next question. Explain these lines from the poem. She will laugh at her competitors and make them quake with fear. We have already studied these lines, isn't it? Isn't it? Yes. Explain these lines. The question is to explain these lines. Okay. We want to explain these lines. Do you have an idea about these lines? You can tell it in your own words. Anyone is ready to tell the answer? Say the answer. Who is ready? Adira and Harinand is ready, I think. Okay. Now Harinand, firstly Harinand will explain, then I will come to you, Adira, okay?
Miss, first line മാത്രമേ എനിക്ക് പറയാൻ പറ്റൂ. First line.
Okay. You can explain.
She can complete all these games. That way he laughs the competition.
Yes. She have the courage to face all the competitors.
She can easily complete these games.
Yes. So that she will laugh at her competitors and make quack with fear. Very good. And Adira, you can also say.
Miss, ഇതിന്റെ ഒന്ന് പിന്നെ മീനിങ് ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു തരോ?
മീനിങ് മനസ്സിലായില്ലായിരുന്നോ? പോയെടുത്തപ്പോ മനസ്സിലായില്ല?
മനസ്സിലായി, പക്ഷെ അതിന്റെ ശരിയായ ഇതിൽ രൂപത്തിൽ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല.
എന്താ പറയുന്നത്? She will laugh at her competitors and make them quake with fear. Grandmother എന്താണ്? Grandmother ഈസി ആയിട്ട് എന്താണ് കോമ്പറ്റീറ്റേഴ്സ് വേറെ മത്സരിക്കുന്ന ആൾക്കാരോട് ചിരിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി പറ്റും. പക്ഷെ ബാക്കിയുള്ള ആൾക്കാർ എന്താണ് ഗ്രാൻഡ് മദറിനെ കാണുമ്പോൾ പേടിച്ചിട്ട് ഷേക്ക് ചെയ്യുകയോ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. കാരണം എന്താണ്? അവർക്ക് ഈ ഗ്രാൻഡ് മദർ അവരെ തോപ്പിക്കുമോ എന്നുള്ള പേടിയാണ്. മനസ്സിലായോ? അതാണ് ഇവിടെ പറയുന്നത്. This grandmother have the ability to overcome all the problems, or she can easily win the game. So the opposite or the opponents will surely fear this grandmother. I think it's clear for you. Isn't it? Above?
Yes.
Yes. Here we describe, or here we explain the meaning of the lines. That is the question. Explain the lines. I will provide the answers. Then you should copy it into your notebook. Okay. Today or tomorrow I will provide the answers. Okay. Then name any 4 sports in which grandma excels. Name any 4 sports in which grandma excels. It's an easy question. You should only answer any 4 games. I think Adira and Harinan. Okay, I will call you. Adira and Harinan got a chance. So we can move to others also. Okay. Then any other is ready? Sri Vishnu. Okay.
Start the question. Name any 4 sports.
Yes. Yes. Answer the question. Any 4. You can answer any 4. Sri Vishnu. I can't hear. I think there is range problem. Okay. Heaven. Okay, Heaven, you can.
Boxing.
Boxing.
Cycling.
Boxing.
Marathon.
Marathon.
Cycle race.
Cycle race.
Gusti.
Gusti. What? Gusti English word endairunnu? Just on page marks nokiya kittum. Wrestling. Okay. I think 4. Okay, enough. Very good, Heaven. Then anybody? Anybody is ready? Ashwin. Okay. Ashwin?
Cycling.
Okay. Then?
Wrestling.
Wrestling. There are a lot, many games.
Boating race.
Boating race. Canoeing. We can
Boat
say
race.
just canoeing. Canoeing is the boat race. Okay. Here in this chapter, canoeing. Okay. Then who is that?
Marathon race.
Okay. Please mute your audio. Vasudev, you can answer.
High jump, long jump, running.
Okay.
Boxing, wrestling.
Okay. Enough. 4 is enough. Very good. Okay. These are the games. We have seen many games in this chapter which grandmother is ready to participate. Okay. You can write any 4 as the answer of this question. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. Then we can move to the last question, 4th one. What does the speaker find astonishing? What does the speaker find astonishing? Astonishing means surprising. Speaker എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് poet ആണ്. Poetന് എന്താണ് surprising ആയിട്ട് തോന്നിയതെന്ന് ലാസ്റ്റ് പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. I think Harinan. Who is that?
എല്ലാ കോntestലും വിൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത് കണ്ടിട്ട്.
Yes. What's your name?
Justice.
Justice Jose. Okay. Yes, answer is correct. Even though she is in wheelchair and she used walker, but she can face anything. That is the astonishing thing, surprising thing for the speaker. Wheelchairlum aduvale walkerinte helpilum grandmother നടന്നിരുന്നതെങ്കിലും എല്ലാ കാര്യം ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുള്ള ഈ കഴിവാണ് എന്ത് പോയിട്ട് സർപ്രൈസിങ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അസ്റ്റോണിഷിംഗ് ആയിട്ട് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഇതിന്റെ ഒക്കെ ആൻസർ ഞാൻ എഴുതി തരും. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ അത് നോട്ടിലേക്ക് എഴുതിയാൽ മതി. ഐ തിങ്ക് ഇറ്റ്സ് ക്ലിയർ ഫോർ യു. ഓക്കെ, shall we move to the next part? Yes. Know the poem. The question is, sorry, there is another question. See, think and answer. Isn't it? Think and answer. I will read. You just listen. The poet imagines his grandma to be good at many sports. Do you think such a spirit is important for everyone? Yes. It's a question for you. The poet imagines in his grandma to be good at many sports. Poetന്റെ ഗ്രാൻഡ്മേനെ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇമാജിൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? എല്ലാ സ്പോർട്സിലും ഗുഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരാളായിട്ടാണ് പോയറ്റിന്റെ ഗ്രാൻഡ് മദറിനെ ഇമാജിൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഈ പോയത്തില്. Do you think such a spirit is important for everyone?
Yes.
Yes, this type of spirit is important for everyone, isn't it? If we have a spirit like this, we will overcome all the challenges of our life, isn't it? Am I correct? Yes. Yes, we should have the courage to face all the circumstances in our life. This grandmother is like that. She is ready to overcome anything in front of her. She does not fear anything. So we can say that this grandmother is really a role model for us. Am I correct? Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Who is that? Okay. Then we can say that yes, because it helps to overcome our ups and downs. Then the next question, know the poem. D. Here are some pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Add 2 more rhyming words of your own. Yes. Did you know what is rhyming words? We can see rhyming words in the ending line of poems, isn't it? Rhyming words എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയുന്നല്ലേ? നമ്മൾ ചെറിയ ക്ലാസ് തൊട്ടേ പഠിക്കുന്ന rhyming words. അറിയില്ലേ? Did you know? Yes or no? Yes. Here there are 3 rhyming words are given. Pairs of rhyming words. 3 pairs of rhyming words are here in your textbook. That is throwing, rowing. These are words taken from your poem Olympic Granny. Here you can say throwing and rowing. Yes. In this stanza, last stanza, not last, page number 9, last stanza, you can see throwing, rowing. Did you see? Yes, that's a pair of rhyming words. It sounds like almost similar, isn't it? That sound, the sound is similar, throwing, rowing, isn't it? Yes. Then there is the next one, fearless fearless. It also resembles like same sound. Fearless, fearless. Okay. Then coat, sport. Coat, sport. Then 3 blanks are given. You should fill that blanks. Can you say an example for that? You can say an example. Harinand is raising hand. Okay, you can speak. Harinand.
Fear.
What was? What is? Here, fear.
Fear.
Okay, here, fear. You can write here, fear.
First one in the world. First
Then-
one in the. First one in the.
First one. Just, I can't. Please repeat. Spelling.
അല്ലെന്നേ ഫസ്റ്റ് വണ്ണിന്റെ ഒരു റൈമിംഗ് വേർഡ് പറയട്ടെ എന്നാ പറഞ്ഞത്.
ഫസ്റ്റ് വണ്ണിന്റെ റൈമിംഗ് വേർഡ് പറഞ്ഞോ.
ത്രോയിങ്, റോയിങ്, ഗ്രോയിങ്.
ഗ്രോയിങ്. ഓക്കെ. ഫസ്റ്റ് വണ്ണിന്റെ നേരെ ഗ്രോയിങ് എഴുതിക്കൊള്ളുക. ഗ്രോയിങ്. ത്രോവിങ്, റോവിങ്, ഗ്രോയിങ്, സോവിങ്. ഗ്രോവിങ്. GROWING. ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ ആ ഒരു വരിയില്ലേ, ത്രോവിങ്, ഗ്രോയിങ്, അതേപോലെ സിമിലർ ആയിട്ടുള്ള സൗണ്ട് വരണം. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ്. അപ്പോ ഗ്രോവിങ് അതിന്റെ നേരെ ഗ്രോവിങ് എഴുതിക്കൊള്ളുക. Then sowing. SOWING. Did you write it? എല്ലാരും എഴുതിയോ? ആർക്കെങ്കിലും കിട്ടാത്തുണ്ടോ? കിട്ടിയില്ലേ? Then next one fearless, fearless. ഇതേപോലത്തെ വേറെ വേർഡ് ആർക്കെങ്കിലും അറിയോ? ഫിയർലെസ്, ഫിയർലെസ്. ഇതിന് മാച്ച് ആവുന്നത്
കെയർലെസ് ആണ് സർ.
യെസ്, കെയർലെസ്. ബട്ട് കെയർലെസ്സിന് മാച്ച് ആവുന്നതും കൂടി വേണം. കെയർലെസ് നോട്ട് അറ്റ് ഓൾ മാച്ചിങ്. ഐ വിൽ സേ cheerless, fearless. You can write cheerless.
Cheerless.
Cheerless. Okay. Now you write cheerless. CHEERLESS. Okay. Cheerless. എഴുതിയോ? അതിനൊരു പേരായിട്ട് fearless എഴുതിക്കോ. Fearless. FEARLESS. Okay. Then next one is coat, sport.
അവിടെ ഫിയർലെസ് ഉണ്ടല്ലോ. അതെ മിസ്, ഫിയർലെസ് ഉണ്ട് അവിടെ.
Okay, there is fearless. Fearless. Cheerless, we have already written cheerless. Any other words? Did you know any other words? You can write careless. 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 Cheerless, careless. Is it okay for you? Okay, le. The next one, coat, sport. Coat, sport. Okay. Harinand, did you know? Who is that?
Chart.
I can't hear.
Chart. Chart.
What is?
Port.
Car.
Port.
Port.
Chart.
Court is already there.
It's a fort.
Fort. Okay, fort. You can write fort. 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 Then port. 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 Yes. Did you write? എഴുതിയോ? എല്ലാരും എഴുതിയോ? എല്ലാവർക്കും എല്ലാം കിട്ടിയോ? Payal? Did what?
I don't have test, miss.
What?
I not have test.
Who is that? Okay, no problem. I think you have PDF.
Yes.
Yes. Then you can read after the class. Okay? And you should fill this. Then first. Okay. ഇതൊന്ന് വായിച്ചു നോക്കാം എന്തായാലും. First one, throwing. I will read it. Please listen. Please mute audios. Okay. First one. ആർക്കെങ്കിലും കിട്ടിയിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ എഴുതിക്കൊള്ളുക. Throwing, growing, throwing, rowing, growing, sewing. Okay. Next one, fearless, fearless, cheerless, careless. Okay.
വണ്ണിന്റെ അവസാനത്തെ വേർഡ് ക്ലിയർ ആയില്ല.
Which one?
നമ്മുടെ ത്രോയിങ് ഗ്രോയിങ് ഇല്ല, അതിന്റെ ലാസ്റ്റ് വേർഡ്.
Sewing. SOWING. Sewing. SOWING. Okay. Then fearless, fearless, cheerless, and careless. Is that okay? Okay, le. Ellarkum kittiyille idu. Then the third one, coat, sport, fort, pot. Okay. Coat, sport, fort, pot. I think you got it. Yes. Then we want to move to the next one. But I think time is very less. So we can read the poem once again. Who will read the poem once again? I think in the morning, Adira, you have read the poem, isn't it? ആരാണ് രാവിലെ വായിക്കാത്ത ആരാണ്?
ഞാൻ വായിച്ചില്ല.
ഹരിനന്ദ് ആരാ ഇപ്പൊ പറഞ്ഞത് വായിച്ചില്ല എന്ന്?
Afras.
Afras. Okay, Afras, you can read the poem.
When Grandma goes for gold in the Olympic Games this year, she will laugh at her competitors and make them quake with fear. She is 99 years old, but in athletics she been blessed. The trouble is she can't decide which sport she plays the best. She is such an ace at archery. She queen of the canoe. She tugged to top at taekwondo and table tennis too. She dominates the diving board. She trumps the trampoline at lifting weights and wrestling. She is the best you have ever seen. She speeds across the swimming pool to slake the summer heat. On BMX and mountain bike, she simply can't be beat. She highest in the high jump and a champ at a hammer throwing. Magnificent in marathons, remarkable at rowing.
Okay, enough. Okay, Afras, enough. Very good.